Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and to the very first episode of our new brand series on KoboToolbox. If you are looking to learn how to collect data easily, efficiently, and for free, you are in the right place. In this episode, I will show you how to create KoboToolbox account, set up your very first project, and navigate the dashboard step by step. This series is perfect for researchers, field workers, NGO workers, for students, and any other interested person in mobile data collection and data analysis. So let's jump in and get you started on your Kobo Toolbox journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you will not miss the next episode. So don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel and let's get started. First, to create the Kobo Toolbox account, we need to have internet connection and web browser. So go to your computer and open any web browser. It can be Google Chrome or it can be Firefox. So on the address bar, write KoboToolbox.org, hit enter. Automatically it redirects to this page, and here there is KoboToolbox. It is a powerful and intuitive data collection tool to make an impact. There are different icons about us, features, services, pricing, blog, help, and other features are available. You can take a look about us, about the KoboToolbox, the features and services that the KoboToolbox website deliver, and pricing. As far as the pricing is concerned, this toolbox provides training service, and if you need to collect larger data sets, more than 5,000 per month, you are expected to pay to access the large amount of data sets or space on the server. But this data set provides free 1 GB per 1 GB storage, and it gives the opportunity to upload or to take a space for 5,000 submissions. So to create the account, what I'm going to do is go to sign up. Here there is sign up, or there is also create account. Let's sign up. Once you redirect to the next page, sign in or create an account, it provides these two alternatives. So this KoboToolbox have two options. The first one is a global KoboToolbox server, which most of the people throughout the world use, and the other is the European Union KoboToolbox server, which is hosted in Ireland. So I personally recommend to use the global KoboToolbox server. If you have an account, you can directly sign in, but the main concern for today's video is creating an account. So click here. Once you click on create account, this page is directly pop up. So we need to give your name, and you can give the username as remote sensing rs underscore 2025, your email address. My email address is this one. You are expected to select your country. My country is Ethiopia, and you need to select one of the sectors you are working for. In my case, I would like to select the environment. Here there is organization type. If you give non-profit organization or any other organization, you are expected to give the website of your company or organization. So if someone is not associated with any organization, there is an alternative to take I am not associated with any organization. Once you have filled a required questions, the next is we need to agree with term of reference and agreement or privacy policy. Check the two boxes. So give your password, and you need to your password should be strong, which contains words and characters. Let me replicate or re-enter the password that I have used here. So this is my account. Once I have fulfilled all the criteria, here there is create account. Before that, I would like to give you some concepts about KoboToolbox. As the KoboToolbox global server, high quality data collection tool for social impact, organization working in challenging environment. And as the number indicates that this server gives the opportunity for submission of 5,000 per month and with 1 GB file storage. So this is the great opportunity to make our data digital. Then go to create account and hit. Once you create an account, here there is username must be between 2 and 30 characters in length and may only consists of lowercase. So I have used uppercase, so the error is pop-up. So let me give RS, it should be small letter. Let me get back to the password and rewrite the password. And create account. That's great. The confirmation code is sent directly to my email address. So I should open my email address and take a look the link. So let me open other window and write Gmail. Once you provide your Gmail account, here there is the activation code that is sent from KoboToolbox to my email address. Let me open it, and here there is a link to verify whether this email address is mine or not. Click here, then it directly confirm my account as RS 2025. This is my user account, then confirm. Very good. Once I have created my account, let me give you a brief explanation about the dashboard of KoboToolbox. Here there are two icons here. This is a project. So if someone is interested to create a project, he must be click here and make it new project. And this is a library. The library is most of the questions that is used within a certain socioeconomic and biophysical data assessment should be put in library instead of writing within each activity. So this is a project, this is a library. I will give you a brief explanation about each in the upcoming videos. There is help. Within help, there are different types of help. It is associated with Help Center, Community Forum, KoboToolbox Academy, and then within Help Center, if you have any question related to KoboToolbox, you can write and the community provides or deliver your questions. Then here there is project name, status, ownership, modified date, date deployed, and submission. all these are the features. Here there is deployed drafts and archive. Once you design a certain questionnaire and prepare the digital format or digital questionnaire, you are expected to deploy on the server to effectively utilize the questionnaire by the data collectors. Draft is, as the name indicates, it is draft, and it is designed by the project owner. And once the project owner is analyze his question, he is expected to deploy to the servers to further utilization of the questionnaire. So to create a new project, for instance, you are expected to click here and new project. Here we have 4 options. We can create our questionnaire from build from the scratch. If you have any template before, you can use a template. You can also the advanced method of Excel format. And the first one is you can import XLS form via URL. For the time being, I would like to show you how to build KoboToolbox from scratch. Click here. You need to this is a mandatory question. The project name should be written here. For instance, for this practical exercise, let me give us Kobo test. This is my project name. If you have any description about the project, you can write here, but it is not mandatory. You need to select one of the sectors here. For instance, let me select environment. Country should be your country should be selected from this drop down options. In my case, let me give my country name Ethiopia. So finally, you can create a project. Once you create a project, the next step is creating or generating questionnaires. So the project name is Kobo test. Here there is a preview form, expand, group, and cascading questionnaire. So I will give you or I will show you how to preview, how to expand, collapse, and cascade questionnaires in the upcoming videos. This is the general overview and how to create the KoboToolbox account. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. And thank you very much for having me.